In this video, we are going to upgrade Kubernetes clusters from 1.33 to 1.34. That is, 1.34 is currently released in August. So we are going to upgrade. So in basically in our environment, we are going to upgrade a single node Kubernetes cluster, and some of the features they have added to 1.34. We are not going to discuss all the features, but we are going to upgrade only to 1.34. So for that you can follow this document also. You can see here what are the things we are going to upgrade and what are the steps. I have documented all these things, how to perform the upgrade. In my cluster I am using some 2 CPU and 8 GB of memory, that is SNK, and the current version is like 1.33 something. So let me jump to the demo. So first thing is that we need to update the, I'm discussing the plan. So first thing we need to update the operating system package. Then after that we need to add this repo to the Debian package, that is 1.34. Then after that we need to upgrade all the components of the Kubernetes. Then we perform the actual upgrade. Okay, so let me jump to this demo. So I have one single node cluster is available. You can see the OS release, it is showing 25.0 for Ubuntu, and we can check the Kubernetes version also. You can check also wait. It is using container d1.7.27, and the Kubernetes version is 1.33, and you can check the Kubernetes version. Both the client and the server is like 1.33.3, so we are going to upgrade to 1.34. Okay, so first thing is that we need to update this operating system package if anything is pending, so we can perform this upgrade. Then we can go ahead for this package update. Yeah, all looks good. Yeah, so it is pointing to 1.33. So let me update this GPG key for the 1.34. You can follow this document. Yeah, so this is the GPG key for this. You can see here I update to 1.34. Okay, so let me hit enter. So it is containing the existing one, so that's why I updated. So after that I need to update this repo to 1.34 Debian repo. Yeah, you can double check 1.34 is mentioned there. Then you can check this repo file whether it is reflected. Yes, it is reflected here. So after that we can go ahead for this Kubernetes packages update, that is Kubeadm, kubectl and kubelet. Okay, so let me copy this one. So basically this command will first on hold this all these three packages, then upgrade to the target version like 1.34, then again it will hold this packages so that it will not update automatically updated. So it will take, yeah, it is first hold that one, then update to this 1.34 from the Debian repo, then it will again hold this package. Okay, it will take a couple of seconds. Now it's done. Now again it will hold this packages, all the three packages. So now we can check this one whether this Kubernetes version is upgraded or not. Let me clear the screen. Yes, so it is updating to 1.34. The package itself update, but the cluster is not updated right now. If you check the get node, it will show you this one, but if you check this Kubernetes server version, you can still see the client is reflected to 1.34, but the server still running with 1.33. Okay, so at end of the upgrade the server version should be reflected 1.34. Okay, So let me update the actual Kubernetes components. So for that you need to first plan this one, then update this plan. Okay. So in the plan you can see it will show you the upgrade path physically. So the it is showing like all this component, these are the core components. Okay. This etcd API server, controller manager, scheduler, and the flux, I mean code DNS. You can see currently it is using 133 and the target should be 134. Okay. And similarly you can see like this code DNS also upgrade to 1.12.1 and etcd like 3.6.4. Okay. So what are the deprecated API, all these things is showing here. Okay. So now we can go ahead for this actual upgrade. Okay, let me clear the screen again. And the Kubeadm upgrade apply your target version, that is 1.34.0. So it will take couple of seconds because it will internally download all this Docker images from the repo. Now it asks for this allow to this proceed. So 133 is the current and the target is this one. Okay, so it will take couple of seconds. Now you can see the first component, that is the etcd database, is upgraded. So it is successfully, I think, completed. So now it's renewing the certificates also. Then the other component, like the second component, Cube API server, should be upgraded. It will take couple of seconds, I think. So now we can see this one, the first component is successfully upgraded, and that will pick the second major component, that is the API server. Then it will take again couple of seconds. We can wait for that time. Now we can see the Cube API server also successfully completed. So now it proceed for the other component like Cube controller manager. It's also done. Then it will renew this certificate and the picking this other component like Cube scheduler. This one also completed, and code DNS also completed. You can see all these things is completed. Then we can check the cluster status. The component, I mean the node is ready. It is, since it is a single node Kubernetes cluster, so we running with one node. And Kubernetes version you can check. Earlier you can see the server version is showing like 133 something. Okay, so now it's reflected with 100. There are target version like 134. Okay, so post upgrade you can verify like all your application and all the components are running or not. You can check here get what hyphen a. You can see all the infrastructure components are restarted. You can see here code DNS, etcd API server, controller manager, and your proxy scheduler. Everything is updated from the edge. You can see here 40 second ago it is upgraded, but your application pod no impact to your application pod. Okay, these are the major component of the Kubernetes, so that's why they are upgraded to 134, and respectively the your pods also restarted. Okay, so we'll cover this, what are the new features added to this uh, target version like the 134 in the next video. Okay, so this is the about how to perform the upgrade from 133 to 134, that is the recent version. Okay, that's it.